Are you still working from home in that uncomfortable desk chair? Well, let me tell you, this is a really nice, affordable chair that's going to be super comfortable. So if you're looking for a great alternative, you want to check out this ergonomic mesh office chair. My name is Diana. I was sent this chair in return for this video. I'm going to go over some of the features so you can decide if it's a fit for you. First of all, setting up is a breeze. As you can see here, we had it together in record time. However, I will stress to you, follow the instructions. Make sure you put things together in the order in the instructions. The flip-up arms on this are ingenious. It makes it great for a certain kind of desk that maybe these arms don't go under. Then you can just have it like this, or maybe you just don't want arms on here. So you have that option. The seat here is made with some thick, high-density foam. It's super comfy, even after hours of sitting. It's got a rocking tilt from 90 to 110 degrees, so I can lean back and relax when I need to take a break. It also has a height adjustment and 360-degree swivel, smooth and easy. It just really feels solid. It has 6 wheels on here, so it's going to roll around really, really nicely. It's got a lot of certifications too, so it's not just comfy, it's legit safe and durable. So whether you're in a dorm, apartment, office, this chair is going to fit in. It comes in all sorts of colors. It's very modern looking. It's attractive. I just love how nice and pretty and clean and sleek it is, modern and comfortable. Check it out.